Okay, in this lesson, we're going to take a quick look at the sources panel and how you can stop your code and inspect exactly what's going on in there with the flow. Okay, so I'm going to open Devtools again. I'm going to do it a different way this time. I'm going to right click on an element and select inspect. And then I'm going to go to the sources tab because that's what this lesson is about. And as you can see, I have a couple files already open, but if I want to close these off, I can find those, the JavaScript files, right in here. And the particular one that I'm interested in is view.js. And I'll close this off again and show you another way to get into it. It's this Command P here. And I'm back in the view. Now, I happen to know that this particular line of code will get called when I add a to-do to my to-do list. So let me set what's called a breakpoint here, and this breakpoint will stop the code right on this line. Okay, I pressed enter there, and as expected, it stopped on this line. So there's all types of things over here that can help you out. There's the watch, which shows you different variables that might be available. There's the call stack, which shows you the different levels of function calls that happen. And then there's the local variables down here. Now I can do things like step over the function calls or step in or step out. So in this particular case, I'm going to step into the function that's called handler. Okay, this brought me to this line in the controller, and I'm going to step in again. And now this brought me to this line here that's also in the controller, and I can step over using this button, and so on and so forth. So breakpoints and debugging is a really in-depth topic, and I'm not going to go over it here in great detail. But if you'd like, I do have another course available where you can get into all 6 different types of breakpoints and how to really drill down and understand what any piece of code is doing. Okay, so that's it. That's how you dig into the sources panel. And when I say that's it, there's actually a ton more to learn, but I just wanted to show you the basics in this particular class.